Huh? What is... What? Huh? What? 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 Why? What's going on? Obviously. Make sure to turn off all television sets and radios once this broadcast is complete. I repeat, do not have your television on once this broadcast is finished. If you see anyone who looks like a human on your television set with impossible features, look away as quickly as possible. It is very important to hide your children from television sets and disturbing imagery. I am a child. You're telling me. You're telling me that's something. No. Oh my god. No! Why is the door open? Wait, what is this? I can see you, Kieran. Don't even... Why is the door cracked? Oh my god. Dude. No. Oh my god. See what's behind me. No.